Riley, don't feed the birds.
Alright, go.
This guy is so lazy. He's so lazy.
Oh.
You're throwing at his face. Lovable. Oh. 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 But
Go do it. Are you just the cutest thing?
It's a tiger growling. For some reason he's... Oh no! Oh, look out, little goat. Look out, little goat. Leave her breeches alone. Come on.
One more time, buddy.
Monkey's trying to break out.
Oh, that is crazy.
I can tell her a parent. Hold your hand out for him. He's hungry. Hold your hand out. Monkey? Yeah? Oh, there he goes. He touched my hand with it, and he touched my hand. Oh. She's like, you have food. I know you do.
Ow! What the freaking heck?
Very nice.
That was not nice. She was about to bite.
She is putting him on the other dog. Put your arms up.
Are you videoing this? Oh, it's okay. All right.